Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Ortiz from Live Well and Prosper. The holiday season brings joy, but for some diabetics, they also come with unique challenges. Today, we're going to dive deep into a major pain point and discover how ChatGPT can help you navigate the holiday season. Everywhere we turn, there are holiday treats, cookies, pies, candies. But many traditional recipes can be problematic for diabetics as well. The good news? You don't have to give them up. You just need the right approach. ChatGPT can assist in finding and modifying recipes to be diabetic friendly. Let's check it out together. ChatGPT, can you suggest a low-carb version of gingerbread cookies?
Absolutely. A low-carb version of gingerbread cookies is a great idea for those managing diabetes, as it allows you to enjoy a classic holiday treat while keeping your carb intake in check. Here's a recipe that uses almond flour and a sugar substitute to lower the carbohydrate content.
But there's more to this than just recipes. ChatGPT can also assist in understanding the nutritional components. ChatGPT, what are the benefits of using almond flour for diabetics?
Almond flour is a popular alternative to traditional wheat flour, especially for individuals with diabetes, due to several key benefits. Low carbohydrate content. High in healthy fats. Rich in fiber. Low glycemic index. Gluten-free. Rich in nutrients. Helps in weight management.
Now, I'd love to hear from all of you. Have you tried using AI to manage your diabetes? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's learn from each other. Now, imagine this. You're at a festive gathering with your family and friends and you're unsure about a dish on the buffet table. Or maybe you're baking and you want to swap out an ingredient for a diabetic-friendly option. Or maybe you're just having a tough day and need some advice on managing your glucose levels. ChatGPT is there for all of it, ready to assist. The magic of the holidays doesn't have to be dimmed by diabetes. With ChatGPT, you have a knowledgeable companion to help light the way. To truly harness the power of AI in managing diabetes, I invite you to download my free AI guide. And for those of you who want an in-depth understanding and hands-on guide, head over to my website at theeducatedpatients.com. Sign up for my online course and learn how to use AI. With ChatGPT as your assistant, you can bring A1C to normal levels with fewer medications, save time, energy, and money, and free yourself from the grip that diabetes has on your life. Together, let's make this holiday season both festive and healthy. If you're interested in learning more on how to use AI and ChatGPT to get rid of your diabetes using tools that can change your eating patterns and lifestyle, I invite you to schedule a one-on-one phone or online chat consultation with me. See the link below to send me an email to schedule your appointment. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.